Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a cute little card I have to share with you. It's a red fox, excuse me, and this uses a lovely stamp set I got free in celebration. So let me show you the stamp set. This is it, called Stylish Sketches, and you've got the ducks, a little bit of floral stuff, leaves, and or foliage I should say. And then you've got the fox here, and you've got these lovely little splatter pieces too. So I'm going to do some watercolouring. So I'm going to stamp on shimmery white cardstock, and I'm going to use Stays On ink or any kind of permanent ink you need to use. I'll stamp up my little fox, and we are going to cut him out, so don't worry about that. But I do want to have space around him as well. Yeah. Try once more. That looked like it got a bit smudged. It's always good that paper has two sides. Down, hold it, press a bit. Yeah, much better. So let's give this a little clean quickly. And then we're going to watercolour, so I'm going to get rid of my mat so I don't get it wet and just work on my cutting mat. And I'm going to show you the colours I'm going to use. It's these ones here. So your Cajun Craze, Old Olive and Pool Party. And I'm just going to pick up the colour from the ink pad with my water painter. So I'm going to do that, and I'll put you on fast forward while I colour it in, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I finished the colouring, and that's what we have. And then I cut a little fox and a piece of the Rings of Love Designer Series paper. That's also another freebie from Celebration. Out of these rectangle stitch dies, and these are them. You can see you get a ton of different sizes. So I cut it out of there, and now we're ready to assemble the card. Now this card base is Pool Party. And this is again a freebie from Celebration. You can get 10 Pool Party and 10 soft sea foam. This is soft sea foam card bases plus all the envelopes as a freebie. So that was a really good one. So I like that. So let's start assembling our card. I'm going to put a little foxy in the middle of this pretty paper. Just like that, and then we're going to put some of our adhesive foam sheet on the back here. Okay, I just had to go and find it. I used up my scraps. I'm just going to take the backings off. And this is just like our dimensional, but in a sheet. And then it just helps if you want to have something popped up like this. There we go. And then I'm going to try and make a bow using this pretty Pool Party sheer ribbon. So let's see whether we can attempt a half decent bow. Yeah, that'll do. I'm not the best at bows, as anyone who watches my channel will know. And that will just have to do. Just trying to see if the, whatever you call these things, the bits that, the bow bits are the same. I think they are. Anyway, that'll do. And we need some glue dots. So let's put it on a glue dot, and then in the corner there, and then I have my rhinestones here, and I'm just going to put just some in the corner for some extra bling, just on this pretty pattern paper. Oh, come on, this rhinestone is fighting me. Okay, there we have it. There is a little fox. Two little foxies. I hope you like them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, it's all like measurements, supply list, etc. It's all on my blog post on my website, and the links to that are all my social media links, including the links to my Facebook groups. One is to sell all my retired stock, and the other one is where we have lots of crafty fun together. I run an online card club there, there's challenges, all sorts of fun stuff. So do check it all out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!